It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun, it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you've left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you see. But I have seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I'll find strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's called again. 'Cause I have other things to fill my time. You take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me at the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and block my ears. I can see widows and orphans through my tears. I know my code despite my faults and despite my growing fears. And I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I'll find strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's called again. Whoa. So come out of your cave walking on your hands and see the world that's hanging upside down. You can understand dependence when you know the Maker's hand. So make your sirens call and sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say, 'cause I need freedom now, and I need to know how to live my life as it's meant to be.
Got the stars, look how they shine for you, and everything you do. They were all yellow, came along, I wrote a song for you, and everything you do, and it was all yellow. So then I took my turn. What a thing to have done. It was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turning into something beautiful. You know jumped across for you. What a thing to do, 'cause it was all yellow. I drew a line, I drew a line for you. What a thing to do. It was all yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn to something beautiful. You know I bleed myself to ride. For you I bleed myself to shine.